see.
Okay, I'm filming again.
I want to set up so here we see a program that rough cuts my profile. These are the certain steps with then a finish cut. And if you look at the program itself, you see event 1 is turn, and then with the cycle commands, I tell it to on the passes and the depth of the cut, finish cut. It calculates then. So this is the profile with the thread. It rough cuts this, it finishes it, and then it comes in with the next tool and finishes the thread.
Okay, you use this machine a lot?
Yeah.
You love it? Is it a
Yes.
great machine?
It's a great machine. It's really good. And setup, if you want to set up your tools, you get these options. Like in this case, it's a right-hand turn. Type in number 1, and now I tell it my location, and then I can fire up the machine.
Wow, very exciting.
So
Okay, and it has coolant?
it has coolant.
And what's its travels? What's its maximum turning length? Do you know? Probably 36. 3 foot. I'll look all that in the
12,
manual.
24 maybe.
Yeah, and what's its maximum diameter? Do you know what the swing on it is?
The maximum diameter?
It looks like it has a gap here that's about 12 inches long. At least that's what I measured.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably what. No, it's right here actually. 1630. 16-inch swing and 30 inches between centers. That's right there in the model number.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's smart.
Yeah. And there you go.
Okay.